Hello, everybody. This is Dr. G. I want to talk to you a little more about the full moon Seva ceremony for April. Now, during the full moon Sevas, I am following the 10 programs month by month in order. And that means this is the third program. Third program is covering your foundational, personal, subconscious mind. And please understand, by peer-reviewed science, it is accepted that the subconscious mind is ruling all your life. Only 5% of your life, if you're fairly conscious, is dictated by executive function. It's all subconscious. And the personal subconscious comes into existence in the third program. From the time you're conceived until the end of the first 6 hours of your life. We're going to be talking to the divine regarding your third program. And we're going to have the emphasis on courage and resolve. So please include in your prayers that you want any negative programs, imprints, or downloads, any negative programs, imprints, or downloads in your third program that interferes with you having courage and resolve, that interferes with or prevents you from having courage and resolve as a person in your life, that the divine will solve or dissolve that, remove that, liberate you from that. So you're asking for courage and resolve. You are asking that any downloads or imprints related to cowardice, being timid, lacking willpower to follow through, that those things are dissolved and courage and resolve are imprinted into you. And these full moon sevas are really, really powerful. This is the place that I have designed so that you can get your bond with the divine, with God, stronger and stronger, and have your prayers answered. I am not doing any kind of healing within it. This is, all sevas are between you and your divine. And I'm the guy that's able to open the door and get a direct line to the great compassionate light so that our voice is heard. We are using the moon as the amplifier, and the number of people we have in any given seva is the primary monitor of how much strength we have. The more, the stronger, obviously. Okay, so it's the third program relative to courage and resolve. And then be sure, now that it's 2025, there's news coming in, even for the 81,000 now, about the ending of Kali Yuga. I'm waiting for official word that the Kali Yuga has ended. The real big deal is that the golden age has begun. It's begun small, but it has initiated. So their shift is really big. And April is following, March was, there's so much chaos and tragedy and all kinds of stuff in that big upheaval. We still have 3 planets that are in retrograde. Don't miss April's seva. and pass the word around. Remember, it's free. Try to get me as many people as you can. Every guy that you bring helps you. We all help each other because we become a collective voice to the divine, which is taken to universal intelligence. That's why it's really important. Okay? All right. I'll see you there. Bye for now.